chicken breast, chunk chicken, or you can use, hear that liquid, chili. Sometimes you can open that up and you see a lot of grease and different things like that at the top. Same with pork and beans, you get a lot of liquid and stuff. But today what I'm going to do is I'm going to use tuna fish. You know, you can use chunk hammed. Whoop, I'm making a mess, dang it. But you just pour that around. You can get quite a bit. You know, you can use chunk ham or whatever. Even bacon grease. You know, I use bacon grease or hamburger grease or whatever. People say, don't do that to your animals. Don't do it to your animals. But if you put bacon grease or hamburger grease on this hard cat food, man, cats will fight each other over it. But this is how to make soft cat food out of hard cat food.